Hi. So this course is titled How to Find Great Employees. Who is this for? Specifically for owners of automotive businesses, like me. I own my own business too. If you've ever complained or stressed about your employees, if you've ever said anything like, man, no one wants to work, I can't find good help, my employees just don't work very hard, you stress about them, you feel like you're running a daycare center instead of an automotive shop. You ever complain about millennials? I hear that all the time. This next generation of millennials, they don't want to work. They're entitled. Have you ever said that to yourself, or maybe out loud? Is it hard for you to find help because it seems like no one wants to work? You put ads out, they don't work, you can't get people to apply. The people that do apply are worthless. If you've had any of those struggles, this course is for you. I've designed it specifically to help this. Have you ever lost jobs because you didn't have the right employees or enough employees? You do all kinds of marketing, you get profitable work coming in the door, and guess what? You can't do it because you don't have the workers. How infuriating is that? Especially when that profitable job goes right down the street to your competitor and they get the good work. That's terrible. What if you're trying to grow your business and you don't have enough employees? You can't find the good employees to grow. You've got the work coming in, but you can't grow because you can't get good employees. What about your current employees? In this job market like this, a lot of times they'll start slowing down a little bit because they know there's work everywhere. And maybe you're not as strict with them as you should be because you don't want them to leave because you need the help, even though you know that they're not great employees. If you've had any of these problems, this course is for you. Now, who am I? I'm Jason Barker. I've owned an automotive business for 27 years. It's very successful. In fact, I am now a millionaire because of that business. I don't tell you that to brag. I just tell you because I'm an expert and I'm trustworthy in what I tell you what to do because I've proven these systems. I've failed at all kinds of things in my business over the years, but each time I failed, I built a system to fix that. And that's what brought me here, to be an expert in this field and to have courses that help you out with exactly what you need help with. So in this course specifically, it's 7 lessons. You're going to learn why your employees think differently than you do. You just have a different mindset, don't you? You wish your employees would think like an owner. Wouldn't that be great? Your employees would think like an owner. You're going to learn why they think that way. And once you learn why, then you can start to change that for them. Okay? And that helps you with your employees. You're going to learn what you need to offer employees to attract the best ones. You already know how to attract the dregs at the bottom, right? The lower crust. I'm going to teach you how to attract the best employees, the ones that you want, that dream employee. You're also going to learn what kind of environment your workplace needs to be. And what I mean by that is the social environment. What's the vibe at your shop and in your business that if you get a dream employee come in and apply, are they going to be attracted to that or not? I'm going to teach you how to create that and what it needs to look like. You're also going to learn what kind of bonus plan you need to offer. The best employees work hard and they're confident, they know what they're doing, and they're going to want to be compensated for it. And that doesn't just mean a really high wage or a high flat rate. That means bonuses. Well, I've got a system to pay bonuses that don't kill your profits, but help them share in the success that they're creating you. So I teach you how to do that. I teach you how to write an ad, an help wanted ad. A good one that stands out from everybody else and really draws in that best employee, that really confident person that knows what they're doing, they're experienced, you know they could help you. I'm going to help you write an ad that draws that person in and encourages them to apply. And then once you do have applicants coming in and they're really good ones, I'm going to teach you first off, how to find them. Where are they at? Where are they hanging out? How to get them to notice you. And then once they come in, how you interview. What's the process for that? How to do it in the best way to get to the bottom of the best employees and to weed out the bad ones that you don't want, that just you can go to your competitors. And that's a real skill. I've broken it down into simple steps that you can look out for and how to interview and create an environment that shows you what an employee is going to be like in the future. You don't have to wait till you hire them and then 3 months down the road you realize, oh crap, this guy was BSing me the whole time during the interview process. He was just telling me what I wanted to hear, and now I got a crappy worker. This system and that lesson, that eliminates all of that. You'll learn how to deal with that. And then once you have a pool of really good employees, you got to decide which one to hire. Maybe you've got 3 or 4 good ones. How do you pick the best one? I mean, you want the best of the best here. In that lesson, I teach you how to do that. And then lastly, how to follow through with all of this so that once you get your dream employee, once you've got the person that, man, this guy's perfect. It's just, they're just filling the gaps. They proactive, everything. How do you follow through to keep that employee and to keep all your employees enthusiastic and happy and excited about the business and about their careers and about new employees coming in? How do you follow through with that to keep that? I think we've all had employees that we've hired. Maybe we got lucky and they're a really good employee and they're enthusiastic. How long does it take for them to start tapering off? Now, sometimes it's them. Most of the time it's you and the environment we've created as owners that just slowly sucks the life out of them. Well, in the last lesson, lesson number 7, I teach you how to follow through and not let that happen, how to keep that positive momentum going. So what does all this cost you? When you have bad employees and high turnover, what's it cost you? How expensive is that? You know it's expensive. You probably haven't done the math, but you know it's expensive in lost profits, in stress for you, more hours down at the shop picking up their slack, right? All of that's just not good. So what if you could solve all those problems? This course is going to solve all those problems for you. And so what's that worth to you? What's the cost? You'll see that the cost I'm asking for this course is cheap. It's a fantastic value, and the best part is it's an investment in yourself. In other words, once you know all this information, once you've taken the lessons and learned it all, it's yours. You have it for life now. It's not a one-time use. It's not just for your next hire. You have all the info. You get to keep all the PDFs. You get lifetime access to the course. You can review it as many times as you want. You can go at your own pace. You can go slow as you want. I mean, fast, whatever you want. Just depends on you. And you have it for life. And that's why the value of this course is really good. Let me show you just an excerpt here really quick. You'll like this. So this is lesson 6. This is by far the most powerful one. The lesson about finding, interviewing, and hiring your dream employees. You're going to learn what to do with the ad that you wrote. We'll have you learn how to write an ad, show you what to do it, how to share it, where to hire, little things to watch out for like hiring friends of employees, little cautions there, what to do about hiring family members. I go through all of this stuff. And then what to do once your applications start coming in, how to interview, how to talk them up, how to get to the bottom of it, like I said, how to learn what they're going to be like down the road, not just putting their best face on right during the interview process. Okay? So this is why this is a great value for the price. You get to keep it for life. It's coming from an expert who have proven these systems over and over again in my own automotive business. Check it out. I know you'll love it. If you don't, I guarantee all my courses, I'll give you your money back. Okay? I'll talk to you soon.